Hello friends, today I am going to recite a poem titled The Optimistic Birds, written by Asit Saha. The sun arose with a smile, the birds chirped and flew a mile. In the sky they met a canary, together they landed in a granary. They relished the stock until the watchman came, shouting at them, he rummaged the game. They took the flight and headed to east, hoping to enjoy an uninterrupted feast. The canary sang a song to raise the zeal. Others vowed sharp to materialize the deal. The endeavor was maintained until they spotted an old lady. She gave them a call to relish the paddy. The birds descended again to fulfill their mission. The lady fed them heartily with her unscratched vision. The birds munched and danced as much they could. After bidding adieu, they disappeared in the wood. Thank you.